Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Bleach Bottle, and I just stuck my hand in a blender, so now I shall be dying of internal bleeding, or maybe blood loss. I'm not sure. Either one of those two. If I'm lucky, internal bleeding is still a bad thing. However, while I'm dying inside, we might as well play Plague Incorporated while I wait for my time to come. Okay, so if you don't know what this game is, it's called Plague Incorporated. Plague Incorporated is a game where the objective is to infect the entire world with a deadly pandemic. For me, when I first played this game, it was hard, honestly. Like all the other countries are easy to infect, but that one part, Poland scares me. Like, I pray every time that once like a boat leaves a certain part of the world, it ends up in Iceland, and it gets so annoying sometimes. I played this game about 2 times before recording, and I feel like now it's time to show you guys like the gameplay. That is, if you haven't heard of it. If you guys do know of a strategy to help me win the game, I'd love that. But for now, I'm just gonna do like whatever comes to my mind. So let's play. Okay, new game. Bacteria. Normal. No. Hold on. Let's just make it Hyper Madness. That sounds good. Okay. I can't because I haven't bought any. Okay. Please wait while the game is loading. I want to give a shout out to Cade for supporting me with the channel, and I want to give another shout out to J Houston Gaming for helping me out with some other videos. If you didn't see my my Pokemon pack opening, you should definitely see that in order to see my brother next to me. He's the high-pitched voice. But for now, I also want to give a shout out to Kope YT for he's a friend at school, trust me. Don't worry about it. Okay, so let's get started. Welcome to Plague Incorporated. You are a new bacteria. To win, you must evolve and spread across the world, wiping out all humans in the ultimate plague. Touch the country your plague will start in. Select the country to begin your plague. When you select it, you can see more information by pressing the country name below. Pop the start bubble to confirm, or select another country instead. Okay. So let's see. I've heard India doesn't vaccinate, so not to make that a stereotype, but you know, it's good because it's hot and diseases grow there faster. Hyper Madness begins in India. Hyper Madness has infected its first human. Weak but used to hot temperatures, it must evolve using DNA points to infect more people. Okay. If you guys look at the bottom left, you'll see DNA points. So, these are used to evolve your disease. Transmission, you have symptoms and abilities. Abilities and symptoms are important, but transmission is also important depending on the environment. Then you have there's our first. Pop orange DNA bubbles to get DNA points. Pop orange DNA bubbles when they randomly appear to get bonus DNA points, which can use to evolve your disease. Sorry if I'm stuttering a lot. I'm really a fast talker. Hyper Madness has not been noticed, and the objective is to not make it noticed as well. So the data, inspection, but we'll be looking at this later. Oof, that sounds kind of scary. Alright, so let's focus on ways of transmission. Then I think another plan would be to, let's see, mosquitoes. Alright, let's wait for more. Because mosquitoes live in hot, damp environments. Let's see. Russia. Oh, New Zealand center of magnetic field shift. What? Recent fluctuation in the Earth's magnetic field is claimed by scientists to be enough to harnessed by New Zealand as a source of power. Well, that's something. Okay, so now we have enough to start transmission. So let's start by, let's see, gives organism ability to spread through blood contact. Alright, so we'll upgrade these two. But for now, let's use insect 1. You have successfully evolved Hyper Madness. You have spent DNA points to evolve your disease, and more options have been opened up. Get more points by popping DNA and biohazard bubbles and infecting people. As you can see, on top of the bottom left corner of the DNA tab, you'll see infected 9. Typewriting monkeys produce copy of Shakespeare. Well, that's something. Hyper Madness begins to spread. Hyper Madness is spreading from person to person in India and will grow exponentially. You control the plague indirectly by evolving it. So you see now 14 are affected. If you look super closely at India, you'll see red dots with people that are now infected. And then there's another one. 6 DNA points. Let's see here. Transmission. Okay. So far, so good. We are making some steady progress. We just need to let this disease cross the border to Afghanistan or Pakistan and Iran. Okay. So now we have 10 DNA points. We can now upgrade transmission to 1. Transmission. Yes, it's to the needle thing. As you can see now, the numbers are booming in the process. To find out about a country, press the country name at the bottom of the screen to open the country menu. Press the I in top left for even more info. Hyper Madness infects hundreds. Hyper Madness has infected hundreds in India, increasing the chance that an infected person will infect a healthy person. Keep evolving your disease. 60%. Transmission. Just imagine, guys, if this would happen in real life. Like, damn. Okay, disease, transmission. Alright, we just evolved it and it's now infected its first 1,000. So we have Indonesia, Philippines, New Guinea. Oh, nausea symptom. No! I don't want to evolve that right now. I don't want to. I don't want that. No, devolve, yes. Devolve it even further. I don't want it to be noticed yet. Okay, 8 minutes into the video. Hyper Madness infects thousands. Hyper Madness has infected thousands in India. People are being infected faster and faster. Yeah, no. I was gonna say the S word, but I want to keep this video family friendly. I'm not sure if I curse because I don't really keep track of what I say. So if I say something random, yeah, that's probably why. India is a very poor area, so this should be able to spread further. And there's another DNA point. Let's just see if it reaches 1 million people. India should take a while to affect because the population is so big. Yes! It has finally spread to its next country. Hypermanus spreads to China. China has been infected. Your disease has taken an important step in becoming a plague. When a new country is infected, pop the red bubble to get bonus DNA. Let's see, 10. Transmission. Livestock susceptible to infection. Rural regions and mutate. Nope, don't want to do that. 303. Oh my god, that's a lot. That's a lot. Please excuse that. My mother just got out of the bedroom to ask for something. Damn. I might want my DNA points, man. Festival love. China celebrates the festival love. Oh boy. Hygiene. I think there's a way to transmit it. Through bodily contact. Let's see here.
Flight 291 is now boarding. All passengers.
Let's see. Come on. Transmission. I want to upgrade this. Dear God. Okay, you know what? Pathogen can arrive outside the body in fresh warm water. Especially in humid environments. Evolve that now. India has some. China now has 53 Hypermadness is infecting more countries. Hypermadness is infecting more countries. Control where it goes by evolving transmission traits in the disease menu. Okay. So Southeast Asia is. The world has been infected. Let's see the world so far. 98% of people are healthy. Iceland is really safe right now. More infection than HIV. Hypermadness has affected more people in the world than HIV. It is an extremely infectious disease.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Haces un video? ¡Huevón!
Please excuse that. My mother just likes teasing me on how I make videos and stuff. How she thinks it's not going to be a real career. Oh boy. And I know I won't be a YouTuber, but like it's something to do while I use my life to waste away. Alright, so if we look at India, it is now. Oh my god. How does the. Alright, I guess this now involves phase 2 of what we're gonna do. Right. And let's evolve this. Let's evolve this as well. We can evolve the abilities, but not the symptoms. So we can make it go unnoticed. And the US is now infected. Shut the hell up. My house is getting louder. Please excuse that. My parents were just my parents are talking. My brother's being annoying as always. So far nothing really important has happened so far. Now that I know that the US has now been infected. Oh yeah, by the way, please excuse the sounds in the background. Just please, like, I love my family, you know, but like, thing is, like, I like my time to make videos about my brother's autistic and shit. Let's see here. Russia hasn't been infected yet. Okay, okay, good. Korea's been infected. Korea. More places are being infected as of now. Let's see, transmission abilities. I wanted to transmission. Plane transmission. Alright, well, let's do rodents because the US is full of urbanized stuff. Russia would be infected as well. Fun fact, Joseph Stalin actually, I'm not sure if this is right. I'm not the historian type, but if I'm correct, I'm pretty sure it was Joseph Stalin's idea to colonize Russia and industrialize it, meaning that it should be effective with rats. What? They're gonna pixelate Toad? No, that's not good. Okay, so Australia's not affected. The U.S. is blowing up with bubbles. The U.S. has a very slow rate of
Flight 291 is now
spreading.
boarding.
However,
All passengers
India is
may proceed.
blowing up with the disease. Hopefully, symptoms haven't. Oh, I said to devolve it. Yes, I don't want to evolve it. I swear, I don't want to evolve the disease. Let's see. Let's get pigeons to fly around the place to transmit it. I might get it to, oh, finally, Russia's infected. Oh, it's so close. Iceland is now affected, but I really, really need it to. Oh my god, look at China. More infectious than the common cold. Hypermadness has infected more people in the world than the common cold. It is the ultimate infectious disease. The world is it's not looking good. No deaths have been recorded yet though, because I haven't evolved any symptoms. Wow, New Zealand has been infected with it. Canada, not so much. Wait. Yep, Canada's now infected. Me and my big mouth. Let's see here. Let's see. Those abilities. Let's make it to withstand cold resistance. Oh, hold on. The disease abilities. Make it to withstand cold temperatures because Russia's super cold. Russia is really big, so we could probably make it more infectious in cold climates. No, I don't want that. I swear I don't want that. I don't want that. Like that pumpkin game. It says no. I don't want that. Sorry if my personality isn't as booming. I'm just really focused on the game right now. So please excuse that. China's infected, India's infected, Afghanistan, Central Asia, make that South America's first case. Oof, it's an entire mess. West Africa. I should probably do something about that. Let's see here. Venezuela, Central Africa. Who said Ecuador is part of Colombia? If you guys don't know, I'm actually from Ecuador. Madagascar. Air 2. That's to evolve the abilities and transmission. Goal is, like, one threat to the game right now to me is the fact that Iceland is so boarded off. Ooh, that's spreading fast. Norway, anemia symptom. No! I don't want that. Give me the DNA points. Bacterial shell. Genetic reshuffle. That's actually something with the flu. Genetic reshuffle. Because different strains of it comes every year. Come on, go to let one of these boats go to infected. Let one of these infected boats get to Iceland. Ooh, the world's running out of healthy people. Face of that rat. Central America, Mexico. One of these boats get to Iceland. Wait, or yeah, Greenland. Greenland is a threat because it's just one boat. Abilities, genetic reshuffle, just in case. All the ways for Central America. UK votes for UK votes for Brexit and referendum. Damn, fireworks! They're already starting with that. Remainers are concerned that this could severely damage. Voters in the UK vote to leave the EU. Remainers are concerned that this could severely damage the UK. Believers claim it will be fine. Unclear and Brexit will actually happen. Dude, that's not good. Bro, they're gonna start leaving and stuff. No! Oh my great mother God. Abilities, symptoms. Don't want that rash. You're not gonna want that once you know. America is somewhat infected. Colombia is infected. See transmission. I haven't been working on that for 2 months. Let's evolve this just to make sure. Because you never know. Iceland is still not infected. No, Greenland. I always get Greenland and Iceland really confused. What the? Africa turned all red. 14% of people are still left healthy. Australia is becoming red. Like the rash on my back. No, I'm joking. That is nasty, but I'm just trying to crack some jokes. Let's see here. Alright, let's get this done. Let's see here. Whoa, Russia. You don't look alright. Finally, Greenland! It's infected! Oh, great God. Well, I'm not supporting this because this could actually happen. However, it's a good thing for the game. Canada takes a long time. This has already been a 23-minute video. So far, it's been boring. I don't know about you guys. All boats. Oh, great God. I don't want no symptoms. I don't want symptoms. Devolve. Yes, don't want that. And especially because there hasn't been any cure working so far. Canada scares me. Greenland, not so much. Sweden. Yeah, it'll take time. Norway's infected. Oh, Russia's infected. That's a pretty big number. No wonder India has a big ass population. New aid program for poor countries. Well, that's not good. Well, please excuse the sounds in the background. Please excuse that. That was my parents again. Not saying that I hate them, but they could be annoying sometimes when I'm recording. Let's see. Canada still being a threat to my self-esteem. The infectivity is great. Canada is not booming that much. Although Greenland has a small no. Mystery still surrounds the decision to postpone. They haven't found the disease yet. Whoa, 2% of the world is still inactive with the disease. Before you know it, I will be mutating the disease. Hyper madness needs to evolve to kill. I will not stop until the entire world is infected. 4,000. Just need to reach a little more. 48,000 people are still healthy. Greenland is blowing up. No, I don't want that damn symptom. Evolve. Trying to play it safe. Well, the world's going to madness. In a few seconds, Canada and Greenland will become all red and stuff. Still not the case because thing is over here. Sweden is doing pretty fine. Norway. Where's Finland? Here's Finland. It's the happiest country in the world. If you guys hear a ball throwing around, then it's my baby brother. Trees under. Oh my god. Alright, I think it's now safe to say we can begin symptoms. Let's see here. Excuse that, that's my dad. Anemia, hypoxia, cyst, painful and continuing hypoxia. Slight chance of bursting that can spread the disease. Slightly increasing immunity. Chance of infection by spreading pathogen into surroundings, especially. Let's do this. Japan, there are no. Yes, we can begin. We can begin everything planned as usual. Let's start killing them off. Transmission symptoms. Let's see. Cysts, anemia. Start giving them stomach problems. I want them to all die. This may take a while. It's already been 28 minutes into the... Uh-oh, don't tell me. Come on, give me them DNA points. Symptom. Oh, still too poor for it. Let's see here. Come on. If you guys see some stuff on the screen, then I'm sorry, I can't do anything about that. Now I just want now I want the symptoms to mutate. Maybe rather he sounds like Yoshi. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Oh nah. There's a cure research. Oh my god. No, come on, man. Start come on, come on. Anemia. I want them to die. Russia's being a dickhead. Hypermadness placed on watch list. Hypermadness has been placed on the Health Organization watch list. Oh my god.
Juega con él. Bueno, ¿entregaste el papel?
Please excuse that, my parents again. Australia has started to send research teams to infected countries, hoping to speed up development further. Could I? Nah, that doesn't matter anymore. That's not good. Insect repellent. Dude, I seriously need... Great God, I need more points. Okay, I guess we could start devolving some stuff. Accept abilities. Let's see, transmission. Since it's already... Yes. Let's devolve that. Devolve it, because it's no longer... It no longer matters. Because the entire world is now infected with it. Although I probably am making the dire mistake. See, there gene symptoms. C7. Rash. Hemophilia. Transmission. Oh my god. Let me see here. Depot. Yes. I need all the points I can get. Pneumonia. I like the sound of that. Pneumonia. Potentially fatal heart abnormally caused breakdown. System releasing pathogen into the air. I'm running out of points. Symptom. Oh my god. I don't think this really does matter. Okay, you know what? Never mind. Symptoms. This is the only thing I can evolve so far. No deaths. Oh, nah! God damn. Hold on. Please excuse me of that outburst because of how I have the fear of the emergency alert system. Scientists have introduced synthetic genes into hyper. Researchers say that is breathing. Oh my god! Stop it! Stop it! Genetic reshuffle. Transmit. You collapsed all of that. It's not just you. It's pointless now. Most of the airports are still in functioning. Oh my god. Well, guys, I'm gonna have to end it here because nothing is happening at this point. Thank you for watching on Bleach Bottle, and I'll tune in with you guys next time for a second part if this gets somewhat likes. Okay, later, guys.